Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi Redmi 10 to an Android device. Firstly, open Play Store on both smartphones and click on the search bar. Then type Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Then tap on Open. Now you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both smartphones. Following that, choose Receive on an Android one and Send on Redmi 10. Then click on all of those dots and choose Send. This way you'll be able to transfer all of those files to this device. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only this one photo. Choose Send and tap on Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. We can scan QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on an Android, selecting Allow in the pop-up and pointing device's camera at the code. But we can also just type this key, choose Receive and wait. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred from Redmi 10. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!